Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today the 11th of February 2022 during a program at Chokpot area near South Garo Hills said that the NPP-led MDA government had launched the innovative Inclusive Farmers Welfare Program Focus that will benefit over 4.5 lakh farmers in the state. He mentioned that the program was conceptualized by the state government taking into consideration the economic hardships that the farming community had to face due to COVID-19 pandemic. The concept of this program is such that the farmers would be grouped together as a farmers collective, producers groups, and financial assistance of Rs 5,000 each would be provided to every member of the group. He said that the funds can be used as seed money for upscaling farming activities, and estimated of Rs 200 crores has been earmarked for this inclusive farmers program. In the last 3 months, the Chief Minister had visited several districts and blocks in the state, and funds amounting to over 50 crore had already been allocated to producers groups, self-help groups, and cooperative societies. It may also be mentioned that the government has introduced various funding options to encourage entrepreneurial activities wherein interest-free loans are being provided to the people. The Chief Minister had also urged the public to take advantage of the welfare initiatives launched by the government and motivated people to form self-help groups and cooperative societies to avail the benefits of the scheme. He said that the government's welfare programs are targeted for overall improvement in farming activities, farmers' sustainable income, marketing linkages, and ensures that agri and horti products of the state are promoted and marketed for optimum benefits. The Chief Minister also announced that Rs 100 crore plus has been sanctioned for various infrastructure development projects in Chokpot area of South Garo Hills, including the Chokpot water supply, guest house, new civil subdivision building, and a road from 12 Mile to Chokpot. Clean cook stoves under the CSR initiative of the Global Himalayan Expedition were also distributed to beneficiaries at the program.
Unigaman da ani program yagi sa program obay no bak tham dunga skangpa focus program ko nga ratsing na focus program ni gaban nga thalat na skenga
Meghalaya dokko matnenga ni gaman an sing rasong gnang parang ani akala ba mamung gola ni tongzawa dalo bangat dingtang district rango dalok an sing mong bade South Carolina Patanggaman belsi brini sumayo. Kam kagaba development ni kamarang ko sanode. Patanggaman belsi sotbong ani development package ko mat gepana anseng batahan.